this video, I will show you how to use the Webmail in the Gmail interface. So first you need to have the Gmail address like we do. So now we are in the Gmail. If you want to set up the Webmail in the Gmail, you need to go to the setting and see your setting and accounts and import, and in this session click add mail account, and then you have to put your email address, Webmail address. Click next and just click next, and you need to, in username section, you need to put the full email address and then the password, and then the server should be mail.yourdomainname.com or .net. You cannot use this domain because this will not be available for you, so it has to be mail.yourdomainname, and then you have to choose 995 and SSL, this SSL. Okay, without the SSL you have to choose 110, but SSL is more secure. You have to choose SSL, and also click label incoming message, this label. So you know, whenever an email comes from the Webmail to Gmail, it will label as this name. Or you can create a new one if you like. Okay, and then if you want to leave the copy of the email on the Webmail server, you can click this. Otherwise, if you uncheck this, Gmail will pull the email from Webmail server to Gmail address, and then it will delete the original email on the Webmail server, which is also useful if you want to keep the server storage free. Okay, but if you leave a copy of email message on the original server, it will the storage will build up over time, and then once you used up all the storage on the Webmail server, you will no longer receive the email. So I recommend and check in this, but then all your Webmail will be only in the Gmail. You cannot okay, let's say if you want to use on computer and on mobile, you will no longer access Webmail on the mobile, because you have to check in Gmail only, because even on phone number, even on your mobile phone or tablet or any computer, you have to come to the Gmail to check Webmail, because it will delete on the server, delete the original email on the server. But if you want to leave for any reason on the original server, you have to check this, but I will not check this. And then click add account, and then in this screen just click next, because that is for another part, sending from this email address in the Gmail. The first part is receiving, now is sending out. Okay, so you can just say the name for this email. Right now I just say test DAD, and then you have to uncheck this and then click next, and then username and password. Okay, this is the password, and then copy the email and then put the email, and then you don't need to change anything, just click add account. Now you have to an email with a confirmation link was sent to this address, and then you can close this window now. Since we already checking email from other account, we can just go to inbox and refresh, or maybe we can go to all mail and see if we are receiving anything, and here also check. Okay, I think it will take time, so let's just go to the Webmail to confirm, to do the confirmation. Webmail.yourdomainname.com, and then username and then the password. Now open. Okay, we got this image, email confirmation. We say haven't got here because sometimes it takes a little time. but if we can search, no, so it will take time. Okay, and then let's verify here. I mean, in the webmail, open this email, and then you have to click this link to verify you own this email account, this webmail account. Okay, now we need to click confirm. Now confirmation is success. We can close this, and then we can just refresh. After that, you need to click compose. I mean, you don't need to, but you have to check. So go to click compose, and then type your email address, the email address you want to send to, and then okay, let's check the setting first. Go to the setting, accounts and info. Okay, everything looks good, and we just got one here. Let's go here. Yes, we just got the confirmation email we just opened on the webmail here. Okay, now let's see. Yeah, when you click compose, you can now choose two email address as a from address. Okay, in the Gmail interface. So let's choose the webmail as the from email address, and then let's just send to this email address. And HLO test and send. Okay, I don't know why it is taking so much time. I think something wrong with the Gmail, but I think this should be it. Okay. Let's just reload, and then compose. From webmail to this email, right? And then send. Okay, now we just receive straight away from the webmail to the Gmail, and I believe we can also send to webmail now. Let's try, and from Gmail this time to webmail. Okay, to webmail, and then send. But it would take a little bit of time because the email will first arrive to our webmail server, and then Google will fetch the email into the Gmail server and then delete from here. So maybe we can. Okay, I will not wait in this video, but if you experience any problem, we can work it out. Just okay. Now when I check the all mail, you will see to webmail. Okay. Okay, that's how it is worked. But I think somehow it is not labeling, because I think it is just sending from this Gmail, this own Gmail, to the webmail. But if you send first time, you see that the one they send from Google, and it land into this label. So the setup is working correctly. Okay, but if you need any kind of help, just contact us and we will help you out. Thank you very much.